Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to start human reproduction. As we know, reproduction is very necessary for all living organisms to maintain their survival generation after generation. There are two types of reproduction. One, asexual reproduction, and two, sexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, only one parent is included, and in sexual reproduction, two parents are included, male and female. In asexual reproduction is an example of plants, and sexual reproduction an example of other organisms, including humans. Humans are sexually reproducing and viviparous as they give birth to the young ones. The reproduction include formation of gametes, which is known as gametogenesis, that is sperms in male and ovum in female. The insemination is a process of reproduction in which the transfer of sperms goes into the female genital tract, then the fertilization in which the female and male gametes fuses leading to the formation of zygote, then the implantation where the development of blastocyst and its attachment to the uterine wall occurs. Gestation is a period of embryonic development and maturation is when the offspring is being delivered. The male reproductive system is located in pelvis region including pair of testes, accessory ducts, glands and external genitalia. The testes are situated outside the abdominal cavity within a pouch called scrotum. Scrotum helps in maintaining the temperature of testes about 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius lower than the internal body temperature, which is also important for the spermatogenesis. Each testis has about 250 compartments called testicular lobules. Lobules contain 1 to 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules is lined on its inside by two types of cells called male germ cells and Sertoli cells. The male germ cells goes under the mitotic division, which leads to the formation of sperms, and the Sertoli cells provide the nutrition to the cells. The regions outside the seminiferous tubules called interstitial space or interstitial cells. The Leydig cells synthesizes and secrete the testicular hormone which is known as androgens. The male accessory ducts includes vasa efferentia, reti testis, epididymis, vas deferensis, paired seminal vesicle, prostate, paired bulbourethral gland. The seminiferous tubule of the testis open into vasa efferentia through reti testis. The vasa efferentia leave the testis and open into the epididymis, which is located on the posterior surface of the testis. The epididymis leads to vas deferens that cascades to the abdominal and loops over the urinary bladder, which receives a duct from seminal vesicles and opens into urethra as a ejaculatory duct. These ducts stores and transport the sperms from the testes to the outside of urethra. Your urethra originates from the urinary bladder and extends through the penis.